Hello, good afternoon, welcome to Community Progress. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to go over with the IRS 4961 publication for VITA/TCE Volunteer Standard of Conduct Ethnic Training. So, as I discussed in my previous video, VITA/TCE is a volunteer income tax assistance program, and TCE is a tax counseling for the elderly. It's an all volunteer program. You don't charge anyone anything. It's like you're basically a tax preparer that's charging people. Actually not charging people for any money. You're helping them out because they either don't make that amount of threshold, or because they're elderly. So I'm just gonna go over the publication, certain things. I'm not gonna go over all the publication because it is a lot of things to go over. So I'm just gonna go over certain things. So this is the publication. This is one of them you have to read before you take the test. In order to become a volunteer for the IRS, you need to take a test. For VITA/TCE, you need to take a test. And there are 3 or 4 major steps, but this is one of the tests that you have to take. So basically, this is the program. They will tell you how to get started, what to do, what you need to do. So this is the introduction. They will talk about the VITA tax program, what you expect from them, where they are, how do they do this. Basically, you'll learn the objectives. For example, you'll learn the 6 volunteer standards of conduct as a VITA/TCE volunteer. You learn how to explain how volunteers are protected, because you are also supposed to be protected because you are filing taxes and you can make a mistake. So they teach you how you can protect yourself. You learn the basic steps for volunteer required intake, interview, and quality review process. So like I said, there is certain steps you need to do to become fully certified. There's unethical definitions they teach you. You learn about the standard of conduct as a volunteer, what you expect from you as a volunteer. For example, you follow the side requirements, guidelines, how they expect from you. You have to follow them. You have to get certified. Obviously, that's one. There's also the list of tests that's described you need to take. For example, intake/interview quality review process. That's one of the tests you will need to take in order to become a certified. There's also reference material inside this as well. They teach you everything, and this is one of the guidelines. Let me make this zoom in better. This is how it is. So like there are many things. So you want to be a tax preparer, that's volunteer standard of conduct certification, that's one of them. Then if you want to be a site coordinator, then you have to take there's also certain things you need to do. So there's steps that you will need to follow. You learn about the timely filing, the civil rights of this. You learn about the site identification number once you're assigned. Once whatever you're working in, you'll learn how to file e-file or the numbers. You learn how to get the EFIN numbers as well. You'll learn about security. Obviously, you don't take any cash or anything, but it's volunteer, so that's one part about it. You don't solicit business if you have another tax preparer business. As a volunteer, you're not going to do that. You're just going to work with them, and you're going to take your time to help them out. Let's see. It's a lot of things. I recommend you guys read through it if you are planning to become a volunteer for the next tax season, which is not that far away. I could highly recommend this if you want to get some experience. Obviously, just read through it. So they do teach you a lot of things, for identity theft till consequences, what you expect from each person, or if somebody does lie to you in the tax return, or how you deal with them. So you'll learn a good amount of experience as a volunteer. So that's one best part about it. Obviously, you can read through this. It's a lot of things, like expected from as a tax preparer. I'm not gonna go over every one of them because it is a lot. There's a lot of questions they do ask you about this and the purpose of this training and everything. But you could, if you plan to become one, you could always take the test and learn, or read through it so that you could have a better understanding. So basically, this is the IRS 4961 VITA/TCE Volunteer Standard of Contract Ethics Training. I hope you guys understood this. Hopefully, I was better in clarifying what this is. Again, VITA/TCE is a volunteer income tax preparer program. It's usually you have to go to specific sites. You go there and you actually volunteer over there as your time. So basically, it's like a helpful experience. If somebody's putting this in your resume, it's an excellent thing. And you get at the same time, you learn how to file taxes for different amount of people. Other than that, that's it. That's about it. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll try my best to help you guys out as much as possible. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.